In this tutorial you get to know about the front settings. So for the front settings we click here on a smart click of the front and then we click on settings. Now you see the windows gets opening. Here we can select our front settings. Here that's a height, and here we can also make a change from inlay and onlay front afterwards. When I press here 1 and confirm it with save, you see now we got an onlay door. So I go back to the setting. Here we can also change the handle type and as well as the distance of the, and here the position in set direction. When we go down here, we can change the distance of the lowest hinge as well as the top hinge. So you can type in here your standard, and here you can also set the maximum distance between the hinges. Here you can add a hinge if the door is wider than a certain width. For every door you can move the hinge in that direction. That is the position of the lowest one, and that is of the second one. So when I type in -200 and we save this, then we will see when we go in a frame wire here, we see the second lowest hinge moved 200 millimeters below, how you can see here. So I click on settings again and I will set it back. Now you see it moved up again. When we go back to the settings, we go further down here. Here we can change the drawer again, and a further important setting is here the space. The gap of the front to bottom, the space from top, the space of the front to top, here the gap of the left to the front, and here of the right side. Here you can also change the gap of front between the front parts. Here you can save your standard. So let's go back to the rendered view. And now to the settings again. Scroll down. Last but not least, we can here change, does we want to have a front with frame. Here we can also set the width of the parts of the frame. The minimum height of the front frame construction, and here the overlap filling. Last but not least, here we can change our type of the front. So I will choose 4, and here I choose 1. After we have saved it, we can now see our frame. Let's have a look on settings again. On the bottom you see we can also change the hardware and save it.